guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Unbreakable Timeline here. If you are new, hey girl, how you doing? What's up? What it do? What it does? So in this video, we're going to do this hair, okay? I already did the back of my hair, being that I did not know how this hairstyle will turn out, and also being that I got this hairstyle from Miss Adana Moduki here on YouTube. I will leave her YouTube channel down in the description bar below, so please check her out. So to do this hairstyle, you are going to need 2 mirrors. I'm using my small mirror and I'm putting it up on my daughter's bed. As you guys can tell, I'm in my daughter's room. And I put it on their bed. That way I can see the back of my hair, the side of my hair, the front, whatever. So you also going to need packs of hair. I got 3 packs from this one pack of hair that I got off of Amazon, and I got it like months ago when this whole pandemic started, only because I did not know how long we'll be on lockdown or when the hair stores will open back up. So yes, I had it for a while. So we're gonna start with the front of my hair. So I'm placing the rest of my hair in a ponytail. Then I'm going to go in with this black castor miracle moisture and detangling mask and placing that on that part, that section, only because I wanted my hair to have some type of moisture since my hair is super dry. And I will also do a full video on this as well once I take out these twists and explain to you guys why you need to use it. So for now, I'm just placing that on that section, and then I'm going to take my detangling brush just to detangle all the tangles that I had in my hair. I also got this rubber band method deal, whatever, from the same lady, Adana. So what you'll want to do is place some either oil, or what I have here is like a grease type of oil, and you want to pour that into rubber bands. And I'm doing that because you don't want to break your hair by the time you take these twists out. So then I'm going to take some of this edge booster and place that around the perimeter of that section. So then I'm going to take my edge brush just to brush that in place. So then I'm going to take a little bit of hair, not too much, because I didn't want it to be jumbo, being that the parts are already jumbo. I didn't want the hair to be a lot in it. It's heavy, you know? So I'm taking a little bit of that hair, and then I'm just taking the ends just to pull them down a little bit, because I don't want the ends to be super straight. That way the twist will unravel. So you make sure, you do want to make sure you do that before you twist your hair. So then in that section, I'm going to part a little. It doesn't have to be a straight part. So what I'm doing is just parting that, making sure I leave the hair placed down, that way it don't move, because you want to take a rubber band and take that rubber band and put it over the weave, the braiding hair, but you want to twist only your hair in that rubber band. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm so terrible at explaining. I just like to show you guys better because my explanations are terrible. But then I want to take 2 sections of my real hair, put it with the 2 sections with the braiding hair, and then you want to start twisting. But before you twist, you want to make sure that you take some type of gel, some type of moisturizer, whatever. That way your hair don't frizz and unravel with the braiding hair, being that the braiding hair is a little bit on the thicker, like nappier side, but you don't want your real hair to really show while you're twisting it. So that's just what I'm doing now. And I won't lie to you guys, this particular twist, I had to redo it because it wasn't up on the rubber band part how I really wanted it at the roots, but I just left it as is and moved on. So as I keep going up, like towards the middle of my head, I'm going to do now 2 sections on top of that 1 section that I did. So my next parting will be the middle of my head, and I'm going to do 3 twists, 3 box twist, or however you guys say it. I don't know. So I'm just showing you guys again what I'm doing, what I'm using. The Black Castor Miracle Moisturizer and Detangling Mask. I'm putting that on each section, doing the same thing as far as detangling it. I put the edge booster around the perimeter of that section. You want to make sure that you part that section again and place the braiding hair down, and doing the same things, guys. Like, I can't really explain, but yeah. So then you guys will see also, once I place that rubber band, I'm making sure I take my index finger the first time I wrap that rubber band around, and then going into the second time, because I did not want that braiding hair to move. So you make sure you want to take your edge brush as well, just to brush your edges down. You can do this last, it doesn't matter, but I want to make sure that each section is pretty neat looking. So then I just keep going, twisting, and I go to the other side of my hair. And really quick, you guys, I'm in my daughter's room because this was like the easiest place for me to be, being that they are in virtual school. So I had to fix them breakfast, lunch, and then I just wanted to make sure that they was paying attention in class. So yes, I'm doing my hair in their room, and we were about to go on vacation. So I did this hairstyle on a Friday, and honestly, you guys, I still have this hairstyle in. It's been about almost a week. But I won't even lie to you guys, this hairstyle does not last long, especially if you don't cover it at night or whatever. It doesn't last long. Like, the second day on being on vacation, my hair started unraveling a little bit. Like, I did not do a good job, but it was my first time, so cut me some slack, okay? So then you want to take some mousse and place that all around your hair. That way your real hair can stay in the twist as long as possible, and it doesn't frizz. You just want it to look neat. So that's exactly what I'm doing, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.